The lady who makes me breakfast back home wanted to ask why
Twice the
don't you look
gravity of
for
Earth.
or 3 times the gravity of Earth?
Well,
Because life could be weird.
life could be weird. I mean, in fact, I think that most people would not argue with you if you said life is not weird. We have a lot of weird life on Earth. Right? These extremophiles can live in boiling water and in hydrothermal vents and things. So there's a lot of weird life here on Earth, and one might even extend that observation to some of the people we've known or met in the past. So, at any rate, when we say Earth-like, then we're talking about planets that are, well, Earth-size. We're talking about planets that are 1.25 Earth radii or smaller, but we still consider potentially habitable planets that are rocky, that are up to as much as 2 Earth radii. And so the gravity actually would not be 5 or 6 times, even though that might be 5 or 6 Earth masses, because it's how far you are from the center of the gravity well. So you might be twice the gravity on Earth. Maybe Dad, being an astrophysicist, would have a better answer. But there are other considerations that people have come up with in terms of believing that there are reasons to believe that you might not have plate tectonics that might not be supported on such a large planet. And we really rely, if we didn't have plate tectonics, then we wouldn't have the atmosphere we have today, and life would be, if it existed, would be far, far different.
And as far as Kepler goes, we see all those planets. They're, if we could see Earth, these bigger ones are easy to see. So we do find them, and we do say how many.
It's
there
not
are.
like we don't just simply detect these things and then throw them in the waste bin. So in fact, I consider we have a large satellite around Saturn, Titan, that has a very dense nitrogen atmosphere, and so some of these larger planets may actually have Earth-sized moons that might be capable of storing life. So that's why we're very excited, not just about the 5 Earth-sized planets in the habitable zones that we've identified as candidates in the first 120 days, but also the other 49 candidates in the habitable zones that are super Earths or larger, because we do have the potential for having habitable moons in those systems as well.
Cool. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much for.
We download just a small set of data that we run through a pipeline that's